Hey, it's Steve Messinio again from YourBizSuccessCoach.com. Thanks for watching this video. Recently, I talked about setting your objectives for your business plan, and I've also talked about setting your mission statement and your vision statement for your business plan. And by the way, if you want access to those videos, if you hadn't seen the previous emails or haven't seen them through social media or what have you, you can always go to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/Steve Messinio, Messineo 1, and you can find all these videos. So just to continue on, I was talking about mission, vision, and objectives for your business plan. This is all based on the one-page business plan book, which I highly recommend you grab from Amazon. I'll leave a link for you to grab that on Amazon below. Strategies are the next step. So your strategies are basically the steps you're going to take to meet the objectives you set for yourself. So your strategy should follow along with what your objectives are. So I'm going to kind of go over the strategies that I've set for my business as an example, and we'll take a look right now. All right, so here's an example of strategies and how they work. Strategies are generally a time frame that lasts the same amount of time as your objectives, or up until 1 year. And obviously there's a little typo there, I apologize. So basically what you want to have your strategies do is follow the same time frame. So for example, if your objectives are a 1/4 objective or a half a year objective, your strategies, they can be the same amount of time frame as your objectives, but they also can be for the full year. It really depends on what's working as you go throughout the year, and that's why you want to revisit your plan. So the formula for strategies is goal plus how, plus how, plus how. Pretty straightforward. So for example, if you remember my previous video about objectives, my objectives were about increasing leads from a certain number to a certain number. There was also increasing sales from a certain number to a certain number on my different tiered products. And so these strategies you'll see will kind of match what I'm trying to do. So I want to increase my leads by 2,000 people by purchasing solo ads, Facebook ads, and Bing pay-per-click ads. Okay, another strategy, and again, I want to still increase my leads by 2,000 with the second strategy because I'm going to use social media marketing, I'm going to use blogging and YouTube videos to promote what I'm doing, and those are obviously more free services than paid for services. So it's a little bit different. If I want to increase customer conversions so that I get more sales, I'm going to do so with an email follow-up system, provide great offers, and develop personal connections with the people that I connect with, that become my leads, and try to get them to know, like, and trust me throughout the process. If I'm going to increase my top tier business sales by 45, that was one of my objectives, I'm going to do so with unique landing pages, unique sales pages, and increased traffic generation. And then I'm also going to increase my mobile license rights sales by doing more phone call follow-ups with my MTTP clients, unique email follow-ups program, and some bonus offers to entice people to get into mobile license rights. So those are just some samples of how I set up my strategies to match my objectives. Again, you can review my objectives by going back to the objectives video, but you should be doing the same thing for yourself. What are your strategies for hitting your objectives in your business and growing your business moving forward? So that's all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. If you need help with developing your objectives, strategies, any part of your business plan, please feel free to contact me. I'll leave a contact link below. I also definitely recommend you get one-page business plan. I'll leave a link for that below the video. And again, if you ever want to learn about the internet marketing platform that I'm using and earning $1,000, $3,000, and $5,000 commissions, that link will be provided for you below, and I'm happy to answer questions about any of those at any time when you reach out to me. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Steve Messinio 1. Great place to continue to get videos like this if you're interested in growing your business and making it successful.